Hello everyone, this is Mukesh Kumar Mistry. Welcome to my channel Mistry Sir Classes. In these sessions, I am going to discuss another very important topic, Henry's Law and their application based upon part of solution. In this video, I shall focus what about Henry's Law, why it is important to us and how to correlate solubility of gas in liquid. I want to telling you, my dear friends, basically this law on that how to dissolve gas in liquid. This video will gives you clear idea about maximum trends of Henry's law, and please concentrate and watch end of the video. I am sure you will be just perfect and you can solve maximum question based upon concentration terms, Henry's law, even solutions. So before we start the topic, I want to tell you some important facts due to related of Henry's law. That means factor affecting solute or solvent, and where do come from Henry's law, and how to correlate it to this segment. Now, last time I taught you how many types of solution and which is the based. Whenever we have to take a based upon solvent, now it can be categorized three type, and one more type is whenever we take binary solutions. Binary solutions, that means a solution which is consist of solute, a solvent. This type of solutions, how many types are possible? That means 9 type. So see here how to calculate 9 types. Now when whatever we wrote here, only which is we need. Now see, solid, whenever we take a solid solvent and solute which is equals to solute, liquid, gas, so we don't need about this segment. So I come to liquid, which is solvent form, and whenever we put on solid as well as liquid as well as gas, whenever we took solvent liquid and solute solid, so that is the pair of, that means component of liquid solid. So this part also we don't need about this section. So we need liquid and gas, because Henry was discovered about this particular segment. That means whenever solutions component having one solvent and one gaseous solute. So there is very important things. That means whenever we have to liquid solvent and solute gas, so these substances govern in Henry's law. So and I was thinking, you understood where do come from Henry's law. That is a part of type of solutions, binary solutions. Now see some basic factor affecting, that means solubility of gas, solute in liquid solvent. That means how to what is the parameter which is as a solute gaseous substance dissolved in liquid solvent. Now see, first of all, we also categorize our heading. Now see, factor affecting gas plus liquid as a solvent. Gas which is solute and liquid which is solvent. So factor affecting, that means solution on the behalf of Henry's law. So what is the component of Henry's law? What is the need? That is gaseous form which is solute, and solvent which is liquid form. So first of all, we talk about nature of gas. Now what is the nature of gas? Now see here, whenever we take a polar gas which is dissolved in polar solvent. So I think you understand what happened is there. Now see, if that case we took polar gas, just like ammonia, HCl, so both are the polar. Now see here, And whenever we dissolve in polar gas, polar solvent, what is the polar solvent? Like water, whenever we polarize to each other, that means one end is negative, another is positive. Now see whether HCl or NaCl. So I took HCl. It is also polar substances. This negative positive associate and dissolve in easily, quite easily. That means polar gas dissolve in polar substance. Like non-polar substances, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, hydrogen, etc. Polar gas, they do not dissolve in polar substances. So there is very important. And so I was thinking you understood. Now next is temperature. So this point is very important. Temperature, whenever we raise on the temperature, now solubility of gas decrease. So why it is decrease? Now I want to tell you, just see. Okay, see, temperature, if that case we raise on the temperature, so definitely solubility of gas in liquid dissolve in लो. दैट मीन्स टेम्परेचर अगर रेस करते हैं तो गैस का लिक्विड में डिजॉल्व होना क्या हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? नाउ सी, दैट मीन्स डेल एच. व्हाट अबाउट डेल एच? दैट मीन्स टेम्परेचर और एंथैल्पी. अगर डेल एच या एंथैल्पी या टेम्परेचर, इफ दैट केस वी रेज्ड ऑन द टेम्परेचर, दैट मीन्स इंक्रीज द काइनेटिक एनर्जी. एंड काइनेटिक एनर्जी which is equals to negative. So how to negative? Just see, that means solvent plus solute as a gas, and it will be formed on the solution. Whenever we insert gaseous substance insert into solvent, that means liquid substance, now these solutions will be released on the energy, release energy, release in the energy. Whenever we raise on the temperature, we raise on the temperature, so what happened is there, that means it will be reverse. How to reverse? Now just see here, that means solution which is separate or reverse into solvent plus gas, solvent plus gas. Now what is the minimum criteria? How to dissolve gas in liquid? So whenever we raise on the temperature, that means solutions, it will be separate out solvent or gases. दैट मीन्स अगर हम टेम्परेचर रेस करते हैं तो सॉल्यूशन जो होता है वो अपने कंपोनेंट में सेपरेट आउट हो जाता है, जिससे ये अपना फ्रीडम जो होता है वो भी लॉस करता है. दैट मीन्स डेल एच एज वेल एज डेल एस which is equals to negative. Now what is the sense del S which is equals to, now see here, which is equals to del G which is equals to del H minus T del S. That means entropy which is also known as freedomness. Now just think about that, my dear friends. What about freedomness? Okay, now by default nature on the gas having freedom. Okay, whenever this gaseous substance we dissolve in liquid, it will be some pressurized to each other. That means you have to reduce that freedomness. अगर आप आज़ादी छीनेंगे, गैस फ्री होता है, आज़ाद होता है. अगर इस गैसेस सब्सटेंस को अगर हम लिक्विड में इंसर्ट करना चाहें तो प्रेशर क्या करना होता है, इंक्रीज करना होता है. प्रेशर if that case we raise on the pressure, that raise of the pressure, after that gas insert the liquid. Now there is certain limitation, so it is very important whenever we categorize on the limitations or we pressurize on the gaseous substance into liquid, definitely it will be losses its freedomness. So this is del S, which is equals to negative. So whenever we raise on the temperature, and it will be decrease solubility into gas on the behalf of kinetic energy, on the behalf of entropy, both are the negative. And one more thing is that pressure. Pressure, whenever we raise on the pressure, definitely solubility will be raised. So this is very important point. That means as we know, Henry's law govern in the pressure. So what happened is there, that means pressure whenever we raise, solubility also raise or increase. So what happened is there, now just look at. I hope you understood factor affecting gas or liquid. Now see here, Henry's law. Henry's law correlate the pressure of a gas and its solubility in a solvent. That is, it is depend on the pressure of gas. That means pressure and solubility in solvent. That means if we raise on the pressure with gas, now it will be easily soluble in solvent. Now see Henry's law. What about Henry's law? Now here the solubility of a gas in a liquid is directly proportional to pressure of the gas at a constant temperature. That means we have to take a certain temperature. If that case we pressurize, that means temperature always inverse to pressure. So there is very important points is there, that means temperature, constant temperature having fixed. Now after that we insert the gas in the rays of pressure. Now it will be dissolved in gas easily. Now see which is also write this form, mathematical equations form, Henry's law, which is equals to pressure is directly proportional to solubility of gas in liquid. Pressure is directly proportional to solubility of gas in liquid. That means अगर हम प्रेशर इंक्रीज करते हैं तो गैस की solubility भी क्या होगी, इंक्रीज होगी, किसमें, लिक्विड में. दैट मीन्स जितना ज़्यादा हम प्रेशर इंक्रीज करेंगे गैस को उतनी ही आसानी से हम लिक्विड में क्या कर सकते हैं, इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो now, how to correlate Henry's law into pressure and mole fractions? Now, see here, what is the definitions of Henry's law? The partial pressure of gas is the partial pressure of gas in vapor phase is directly proportional to the mole fraction in a solutions. Now, once again I repeat, just see, the partial pressure of gas in vapor phase is directly proportional to the mole fraction in solutions. So we can write mathematically. Now see, P, which is equals to partial pressure of gas, directly proportional to mole fractions. It is represent on the chi. It is represent on the chi, chi. And as we know, whenever we remove the proportionality signs, it will be on the Henry's constant, which is known as Henry's constant. Now see, P which is equals to Kh into chi, where P partial pressure, chi mole fraction in present gas, and one more thing is Kh Henry constant. Okay, now see, Here it is graph. So now let's see how will you determine the Henry's law constant. That means it will be comparing equations which is equals to P. Now see, comparing equation which is equals to P which is equals to KHX with equation of straight line which is equals to Y which is equals to mx plus c. So what we get now, see here, why we comparing the line is straight. Now see, this is very important. It means when we draw a graph, when we draw a graph, I already draw here. So see, graph between partial pressure and mole fractions of substances and partial pressure of substances. So what happened is there, that is, now see, these equations do not have a c. That means as we know, y which is equals to mx plus c which is equals to intersect. So there is c is 0. Now see, P which is equals to y. If that case we compare on the equations, line equations and Henry's law. So P which is equals to y and x which is equals to x mole fractions and c which is equals to 0. That means there is not possible in intersections. So it will be going on the origin point. And see, now we draw already graph partial between partial pressure and mole fractions. So what happened is there, now see, it means we draw uh, graph between partial pressure and mole fractions. So what happened is there, now pressure of gas along the axis. Now you seen here, now pressure, partial pressure along the y axis versus mole fractions, this is the along the x axis. So now see, now origin, now this is the origin point. If that case we raise on the pressure, that means solubility of gas, that means mole pressure, mole fractions, it will be also increase. जैसे जैसे हम पार्शियल प्रेशर को इंक्रीज करेंगे, वैसे वैसे ही सॉल्यूशन का जो मोल फ्रैक्शंस है वो भी क्या हो जाएगा, आपका इंक्रीज होगा. दैट मीन्स वी गेट अ स्ट्रेट लाइन passing through origins. So this origin, that means the slope, this is a slope, is Henry's law constant, which is represent here. So this is very very important. I think you understood what happened is there. That means partial pressure जैसे जैसे increase करते हैं, वैसे वैसे ही मोल फ्रैक्शंस, दैट मीन्स सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ गैस इन लिक्विड भी क्या होती है, इंक्रीज होती है. और जो ग्राफ प्लॉट होता है या जो स्लोप ऑप्टेन होता है, ये क्या होता है, ओरिजिन साइड से. Why it is going on the straight line? Because now c is c which is equals to 0. That means intersections it will be 0. That means not possible. So now see. Now this is some important facts of Henry's law constant, or which is also known as important fact of Henry's law on the temperature. That means what is the effect of temperature in Henry's law. Now this point is very very important. Now see here, at the same temperature different gases have different Henry constant value. This is a very very important entire Henry's law constant. So what happened is there, once again I repeat, at the same temperature different gases have different Henry constant. How's it now? Now look at here, my dear friends, what happened is there. That means gas having oxygen, now same gaseous substance. Now look at here, oxygen. Now here it is different temperature having different Henry constant. Same substances, different temperature having different Henry constant. So this is very important point, and I want to suggest you all, my dear friends, you will be mug up on all parameters here. because this is very important, like methane, helium, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Many questions directly ask about this segment. So there is a very relaxations thing, because questions already given value of gaseous substances. But I want to telling you what you understood in the temperature. That means the same substances, same gases having different temperature, different Henry constant. Why it is create and why it is exist in nature. So this is very important. Now we just discuss about this segment later on the video. So first of all, so see, if pressure is constant, that means constant pressure, we raise on the temperature. Now solubility of gas in liquid will be decrease. Yes, I already taught you what happened is there. That means whenever pressure is constant, pressure it will be fixed. Pressure it will be fixed. So Henry's constant. Now see here, on the basis of this constant pressure, we raise on the temperature. That means whenever we raise on the temperature, now solubility gas in liquid it will be decrease. If that case, we raise on the Henry constant, solubility of gas in liquid also decrease on the behalf of these equations. Now finally, what we concluded, now see here, temperature is directly proportional to kh. Yes, definitely, if that case we increase the temperature as well as increase on the Henry constant. Now both of cases, solubility of gas in liquid will be decreased. So definitely it will be directly proportional. That means if that case we raise on the temperature, Henry constant will be raised also. And now this is the Henry's constant. It will be unit, atm or bar and other etc, but we take atm or bar also. Now on the basis of these equations, mole fractions is directly proportional to P, or P is directly proportional to mole fractions. Now I am writing some different, so don't confuse my dear friends. Now see here. Now this is another very important point. Now see, first of all, here it is the same, the substances having same temperature, different gases having different Henry constant value. Now here it is, the higher value of kh, Henry constant value, at given pressure P, lower is solubility of gas in liquid. That means अगर Henry constant का value अगर high हो तो सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ गैस इन लिक्विड क्या हो जाएगा, लो हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स हम गैसियस सब्सटेंस को लिक्विड में इजीली डिजॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे, या फिर वो सॉल्यूशन जो होगा वो रिवर्स हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स सॉल्वेंट से गैसियस सब्सटेंस क्या हो जाएगा, रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. So this is very important thing. Now we later on discuss on the basis of questions. This is very important. Once again I repeat, the higher value of kh of given pressure, lower is solubility of gas in liquid. And one more thing is, Henry constant is a function of the nature of gas. So we discuss already everything, and one more thing is remain, that is applications part, and this is a certain limits or parameter also we called as. So I think you understood these substances. Now look at these questions. Predict which gas among the given pair of gases will be more soluble in water. Now see, this is a pair at 293 Kelvin, helium, which is equals helium's Henry's constant, which is equals to 144.97 kilo bar, or oxygen's Henry constant value, which is equals to 34.86 kilo bar. So question is that which pair is the more soluble in water. So definitely just I taught you what happened is there. that means we take a higher value of kh, and that means Henry constant, now solubility will be lower. So there is asking more solubility, higher solubility, so that means this is the lower Henry constant. So lower Henry constant will be more soluble in water. So now see here 144 and here it is 34 only. So definitely oxygen having answer on the basis of these equations. Now see here. And second questions, test yourself questions. Now see, predict which gas among the given pair of gases will be more soluble in water. So this is very important. Now see here, oxygen 893 293 Henry's constant, which is equals to 34.96 kilobar, or oxygen 8303 Kelvin, where Henry's constant, which is equals to 46.82. Now there is clear idea about what happened is there. So this is a test yourself question. Now this is applications of Henry's law. Now productions of carbonated beverage, second at a higher altitude, people suffering from anoxia, and another is deep sea diving or scuba diving. Now I skip now first and second applications. I want to discuss now third in deep sea diving, scuba. It is also known as scuba diving. Now there is very important, that means at high pressure underwater the concentrations of dissolved gas in high. So that means at constant temperature, now pressure on the underwater concentration dissolved in gas will be also high. So what happened is there, now see, whenever we increase the pressure, or as we know, solubility will be also increase of atmospheric gases in blood. So there is very important, that means जैसे जैसे हम अंडर वाटर, दैट मीन्स जो गोताखोर होता है, स्कूबा डाइविंग होता है, जैसे जैसे इनसाइड ऑफ द वाटर मूव करता है, वैसे वैसे गैसियस सॉल्युबिलिटी भी क्या होता है, इंक्रीज होती है। और जैसे ही ये गैसियस सब्सटेंस इंक्रीज होगा ब्लड में, दैट मीन्स इजीली डिजॉल्व होगा। सो नाउ सी, so now pressure whenever gradually decrease when the divers come towards surface, this release solubility gas. So whenever we go on the gradually, that means gradually decrease whenever we come to up to surface of the water, or the surface water. So what happen is there, that means it will be decrease on the solubility of gas. गैस क्या हो जाएगा, धीरे 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 वैसे रिलीजिंग ऑर्डर उसका इंक्रीज होगा। और फाइनली इट लीड्स टू द फॉर्मेशंस ऑफ नाइट्रोजन बबल इन ब्लड. And what is the impact of nitrogen bubble in blood? Now see, which is block capillaries and create painful medical conditions, as we know, which is also applied on the erectile functions. And also we have to seen about the Dhoom movie, which is equals to nitrogen oxide system having their bike, and it will be press and they blooming on the speed. So this is the important things which blocks capillaries and creates painful medical condition, which is also known as vents, and this is dangerous of life. So how to avoid now on the conditions is avoid these situations. So what we have to done, now see, done now, concentrate, increase the concentration of nitrogen gas in blood, and the tank is used by the mixture of some other gases just like nitrogen, which is equals to 56.2%, oxygen which is equals to 32.1%, and helium which is equals to 11.7%. So this is very very important. Why we mix on different kind of gases here, now same temperature or the same concentrations, it will be prevalent on the bends. So what about about bends as we written on the black color substances. That means which block capillaries and create painful medical conditions, medical pains. So this is also dangerous of life. So I hope you understood all kind of substances and related on the Henry's law. If the helpful this video, so I want to telling you, my dear friends, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you watching this video.